Hey, what's up? This is a video about GraphTech self-lubricating saddles. They're called the String Saver. Play with confidence. This is an American professional series Stratocaster made by Fender in America. You all know that. So if you have an American professional and you want to get rid of those sharp-ass bent saddles, because I played American standards in the 90s and early 2000s. They all have the cast saddles, not these bent guys. I think they started this in '08. I could be wrong. I've had a 2012. I had a 2008, actually. I had a VG Strat, still had the cast saddles. That's the last one I bought new. That's the last guitar I bought new. The rest of the ones I bought all used, except for my Squires. So, anyways, I'm getting off the subject. So, 9.5-inch radius, maple neck, alder body, American professional, and this is what you want to know. This is what you want to know when you order them, because this is the correct measurements. Because I didn't know what they were. So why? Come on, $1,200 phone. So, geez, is that even clear? What the hell? Anyway, you can read that. So it's 2 1/16. PS 8000 double aught is going to be your part number. $44 at Guitar Center. They usually have them in stock. Go see the luthier. Call first and ask if the luthier's there, and then speak to him. Bring your guitar. I had a little bit of neck issues with mine in the pocket, and it's a warranty thing from Fender, and he's an authorized Fender warranty guy, and he freaking fixed it in like 30 seconds, literally. So it was pretty cool. I bought this guitar used, but it was all jacked up. It is Detroit. It is cold. Sorry, I got a cold. It's snowing like a mofo outside right now. And the neck is all shrunk down. The frets are not bad, but these are all loose. This got all wonky. This definitely got wonky. So I like the feel of the GraphTech, the cast style when I palm mute and stuff. Even this is a little thinner than the old American standards, this bridge plate. But there's a million videos on YouTube how to take this apart, how to set it up. It's very simple. Don't be scared. Just take your strings off, pull your 3 springs out, and that thing will fall out. That guy. And then just take the other ones off, Then you have to set intonation, and you're going to have to set your radius. Now, I don't have a radius gauge, so this is going to be me just kind of guessing. And then next time I go down to Guitar Center, which will probably be Saturday. Saturday. What day is it? Who fucking knows? Some video, like you're watching it live, but you're not. So I'm going to set that up real fast and try to keep it a little shorter, but as long as you know 2 1/16 rear string spacing, and you measure from the center to the center. If your strings are on, just measure from that bottom E or the top E to the center of the bottom E. You'll see it'll say 2 1/16 right on the money. So, all right, we're back. There it is. I think that looks awesome with the black guitar, with the black saddles. We'll see what it looks like with strings on it, but there's the back, the claw, the 3 springs. Like I said, the one is not going to be perfectly straight because it makes room for the trem arm. It's cocked over a little bit because you got to fit the trim arm. Now, if your trim arm is loose and you're pro, this guy, it's a push-in, make sure you're pushing it down 2 clicks, and then if it's still loose and it spins like all wild, you want it to be stiffer, you got to take this all apart, and there's 2 little set screws in there you got to screw in. So I was sure to do that. So if you do this job, be sure to just fine-tune your thing. All right, let's go put some strings on it. Well, here we go. There she is. Let me get a rag, because this freaking black paint is like a fingerprint magnet, as everybody knows. But this one's, it's really bad. I guess the sun's coming through my window. I'm joking, it's snowing. Anyways, there they are. What a dream come true. And they're all nice in that little pocket, all straight and even, the hole right under them. I got my trim set, nice. I don't know the measurement. I just see how the saddle's straight. Got the radius set a little bit. Got the intonation set a little bit. I'm going to let the strings stretch out. Good thing about this American Pro is this tone knob controls this bridge pickup, and this controls these two, which is not traditional Strat. So you do have a tone control for this guy. I can't remember. I know my American Standard way back in the day used to have that detent, almost like the Eric Clapton has that mid boost. I had a Strat that had like you turn it back till it hits a detent and it actually levels the tones out of these two. I don't know. They're always changing shit around. But listen to this monster, man. Loud. No buzzing. Not really. Not too bad. The neck is so new and so crispy. I put some D'Addario XL9s on it. I had to crank the claw down pretty deep, man. I guess that's how they do it now. I gotta straighten it a little bit, but yeah, that sucker's pretty deep for 9s with 3 springs, the 3 black ones. I mean, usually they're sticking out about this far. They're damn near balls deep in that sucker. I guess if you put 10s on this, you'd have to run 5 or 4 springs. Probably have to run at least 4. Probably put another one in the top slot for the top strings, heavier, or the bottom strings. However the hell you want to call it. The fatter ones. Yeah, so just got to do a little fine tuning. And man, is that nice to... That's Palm Mute City right there, man. That's nice right there. That is nice. And boy, it rings, man. The thing, just hitting it on the neck like this. This guitar really has resonance, man. Like, I'm not talking about hitting the string. I'm talking about hitting just the wood and tapping on it. And it still goes, it vibrates. That's a trip. So, got her all strung up. Got her all tuned up. There you go. So, 2 1/16 inch. And remember, if you take it all apart, set yours. So, we got this set. Let me show you. So, you got 1 push down and then 2 push down. And now look, it stays nice and straight. Dive bomber. All right, let me hook it up, tune it up again. Those are new strings. I'm sure it's gonna be. Dude, that's nice. I like the way that thing stays in place. That pop-in arm is sweet. There. So I gotta probably have to. Boy, that's, dude. I don't know if it's in my head. It just feels smoother. Weird. All right, let's get some sounds out of it. Let me put it on the stand. Fucking G. So bridge pickup. Two. All right, middle. Ooh, a little off, baby. Come on, E. All right, 4. Woohoo, baby. Not bad. For all you copywriters. Okay, number 5 is alive. Oops, wrong string. Sounds good. I gotta probably raise the action a little bit. Just do a little neck adjustments. G, C, D. Rocks, dude. Let's see where we're at. Wait, sorry. Okay, so we're at. Fucking buzz. There we go. Face away from the dim light. Still there. Damn G. That's because they're new strings. I kind of stretched them, but that's shit. There you go, man. Check my intonation, see how we're doing. Probably way off. A little off. On the money. On the money. G. G, little shot. He's good. He's good. So he's a little. Gotta raise up. She gotta raise up. So D and G, that's it.